Hi tubers, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY holographic slime for you guys. I know it's been all over YouTube, so obviously I decided to make one because my YouTube channel is mainly about keeping up with the trends. Also, if you guys like those kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe down below. And don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up to let me know that you guys like these kinds of videos. I actually already got the box for it. So this comes with the exact measurements to obviously make it work and actually make a perfect slime for you guys. This is my very first time making slime. So I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping that it works out and I actually get a perfect slime for you guys. But we will see. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. So let's open this up. So it comes with the slimy glue glitter glue. Sorry for my nails, but I need to get it done. And some measuring cup right here. Got some kind of gigantic like bamboo stick, like chopsticks kind of. Next thing is some sodium tetraborate, which looks like this. And I got some more little tiny glitter flakes. And also got this tiny spoon. Let's read the instructions. So the first step, it says, using the measuring cup provided, pour 3.03 fluid ounces of warm water into cup. So this is the cup that I got. There's nothing in it, and this is a bowl of warm water. So we're gonna be putting 3 of these because it only goes up to 30. So concentrated. And then another 30. She's so interested. And then this is gonna be the last one. So let's just open it with something that I have in my room, which is a pen. So now we have to add 1 spoonful of this thing. I think this is how, I guess, activates it or something like that. I don't know. This is my first time making slime, so I got this spoonful. Just gonna be adding that in, and it says mix it. It doesn't say how much to put, it just says pour as much glue as you would like. So let's just, I feel like nothing's changing. Mix it with this. Why is it clumping? It's like, this looks like pasta. It's not working. Maybe add more sodium. This is already a fail. Maybe add more of this mixture. You need to add more. thing. What is she doing? This is not food. She thinks it's food. It's not food, Arya. This thing is not coming out, so I'm just gonna open this entire thing and just put it on there. You see that? Oh my god. It's not really slimy. This looks so gross. Because this stick is not working out. It doesn't really say anything about the water, if it'll be gone. It doesn't say anything about that. There's like so much water. The water is here right now, and then the glitter glue is legit just like floating. I just want to touch it. It looks like this. Okay, let's take it out. I got my mom's scissors. No, the glitters is actually like coming off. The glitters is coming off. It's like all over my hands. Oh my god. It's so slippery. My hands all glitter. You see that? I really don't know. Following direction. I don't know what's happening. I think it's like sticky, slimy, like gooey. This is not gooey. It's like coming apart. Do you guys see that? This is such a fail. And I did. And it says it's gonna be slimier. It's not. The water makes it like really slippery on my hands, but don't see no slime. I'm just gonna add some. See, do you guys see this? It's legit just coming off, like coming apart together. Like, look. All glittered up already. It's just like, I don't even know what to say. It's just like completely separating into each other every single time I like. Normally people, when I saw their videos, it's like you squeeze it like that, it legit just like falls off, but no, this one's not doing it. This is a fail. This is a major oh, look at this. This is a not slime. The new one that I just put in is kind of like slime. Look. It's like slime, the one that I just added on. The one that I did. chunked up together. But this one that I just put in the new one, it's perfect. Look at that. So pretty. Putting in the little glitters. I only made a tiny slime, but because I wasted all of the other ones. Because the first one that I did was an epic fail. So this is the one that I had. Okay, this is what I came up with. So I got this one. So I made this one, holographic slime. So that is it for this video. I am so sorry that the slime failed. Obviously, if you guys want to do a part 2 for redeeming myself on the second video, obviously don't forget to comment that down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe down below, and also don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up for you. And yeah, so don't forget to also follow me on my social media. It will be just Instagram for you. It will be right here for you or down in the description box. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. See you next time.